Understanding confirmation questions in English. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English conversation: confirmation questions. These are a critical tool in day-to-day conversation, helping us confirm details and ensure we've understood things correctly. So, let's get started. What are confirmation questions? Simply put, these are questions we ask to confirm information that we believe to be true. They're not used to gather new information, but rather to check that our understanding is correct. For example, you might say, "So, you're leaving tomorrow, right?" The "right" at the end turns a statement into a confirmation question, implying that you think the person is leaving tomorrow and just want to confirm. Confirmation questions are an important part of clear, effective communication. They're useful for avoiding misunderstandings. By asking for confirmation, you can be sure that you and the other person are on the same page. They also show that you're listening and engaged, which can help build trust and rapport in conversations. Confirmation questions can take several forms. They might end with "right?" or "isn't it?" as in the previous example. You might also use tag questions, such as, "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" Or, you can use intonation to turn a statement into a question, such as, "You're coming to the party," with a rising pitch at the end. All these forms are designed to check information, and are thus considered confirmation questions. The best way to get the hang of confirmation questions is to practice. Try turning these statements into confirmation questions. 1. You will call me later. 2. We are meeting at the park. 3. The test is easy. Remember to use the different forms we discussed in the previous section. That wraps up our introduction to confirmation questions in English. These are incredibly useful for ensuring clear communication and confirming your understanding. Practice using them in your conversations, and you'll soon find they become second nature. Thank you for joining us today, and keep up the great work with your English language learning journey.